Very good morning. My name is Jay Prakash Pandey, and I like to thanks Mr. Chaturvedi ji for inviting me to speak on Ayurveda Bridge to Health. But before I should start, I'm happy that I'm speaking in the front of very intellectual audience, the scientists of BARC, which is the heart and the center of India. We are proud of you. Now, I just want to make it clear few things that I am going to speak in mixed language, English and Hindi, because my Hindi is not so strong, because we are using first time Namaste app. So I thought that I should speak in Hindi, but it's okay if I speak mix in both language. I think it's okay for you all. Okay, thank you so much. And I'm not here to train anybody or to teach anybody. I believe that everybody in this world is aware of everything. I will prove it in my letter. When I speak later, all those things, I'll prove that everyone is intellectual as per science. Now, I'm coming back to, because I'm having a limited time, so I need to finish in that time, because time is very important of everyone. So I just want to present one data, then I'll say few story, then I'll say something about allopathic, then I'll come to Ayurvedic. Now you need to decide whether you want to go with allopath or Ayurveda. My dear friends, I have spent 20 years of life in selling or teaching or backing allopathic medicine. So first of all, I like to salute allopath medicine. Now, some data for you. And this data is from WHO. And also, it has been endorsed by America, because we Indians only believe when we get approval from America. We say that we are having US FDA approval. WHO has shown that. हम कान को नहीं देखते, कौवे के पीछे भागते हैं. It's okay, चल रहा है. It's okay. Now I'm going to present some data to you. WHO says that every year in India, 10 lakh cancer patients are emerging, and 8 lakhs death by cancer every year. And one more thing, after 2 years, 1 out of 10 patients will be cancer patients, and 1 out of 15 patients is going to die because of cancer. Now listen carefully. We proudly say that, and our doctors proudly say that we are the capital, diabetic capital of the world. चलो कहीं तो हम कैपिटल बने, diabetic capital of the world. And 15% of death happens because of cardiac arrest. If allopathic medicine is so strong, then why this situation? Now I'm going to tell you one story. There was one young intelligent boy who was famous neurologist, and all university was after him. And do you know which university he has selected? Stanford University, of course, from USA. He got married to a USA girl, USA citizenship girl. Now suddenly one day what happened? He started coughing, and then he found that he is having a lung cancer. Now, when once this word come cancer, people believe that he is finished. Now what he has done? He has Googled and found the best oncologist of America. And what the best oncologist of America told him, that I am going to give you few tablets. You eat that tablet, you will survive for 20 years. If you doesn't survive, then I'll give you chemotherapy. You can survive for more 5 years. If you doesn't survive, I'll give you radiation. You will survive for another 5 years. Now you are 30 years and more 30 years you will become 60. So almost your life is done. Go ahead, why you are worrying? And he believed because it's America. And then they both couple had one child. But unfortunately, to cut short, he died within few years. But before his death, he has written one book called When Breath Becomes Air. I repeat, When Breath Becomes Air. You read that book and you will cry. I challenge, you are going to cry when you are going to read this book. Now, second story. It's the story of Mr. Jayaprakash Pandey. Yes, my lord, this is the person, Jayaprakash Pandey. To cut short, suddenly I felt some pain in my chest. It was burning sensation and I was feeling like vomiting. So symptom shows clearly that I am having acidity. And I went to some hospital, Apollo hospital. And doctor, because allopathy believe in symptoms. Mark this statement. Allopathic believes in symptoms. So when they have seen symptoms, they have given the drugs which is available for acidity, pantoprazole or any these kind of proton pump inhibitor, PPIs. So they have given for 1 day, 2 day, but it has not worked on me. Now they were amazed why this is not working. Then what they do? They have another option and it is called machines. Machines are the next option. So they have put something in my mouth. They have started testing but nothing was wrong in that. Then they have done some biopsy. Unka aadat hai, sab kaat lenge. And then they have put on slide to find that whether I am having cancer or not. But because there was no cancer, still they got unhappy. Because they were not finding solution. And they wanted to find solution for me. And then they have put in another machine for cardiac. Go jogging, do jogging. And all those things they have done. Still I was okay. Nothing was wrong in my heart. Now what to do? They have done all tests. Blood test, urine test, stool test, ye test, wo test. Every test they have done. Nothing was coming wrong. Then they thought that कि इसके न्यूरॉन में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. बोलता बहुत है ना. He is having some problem in neurons. So what they have done? They have put me in a machine. For 1 hour I was in a machine. ऐसा लग रहा था कि किसी गुफा में बैठ गया हूँ and there is nobody to listen me. I was shouting, अरे make me out from this pain. But they were not listening. They were telling just 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. It has happened for 1 hour. And when report came, once again they were shocked. There was no problem. Because none of the machine has showed problem in my body. Because nowadays doctor depends totally on machines. And do you know how much cost this to me? Per hospital cost me 10 lakhs. And I was admitted in 12 hospitals and all 12 hospitals has done this procedure. So I have lost somewhere around 1 crore 20 lakhs in 1 year without any solution. And my problem was, same. I was shouting every day, burning sensation. But they were not ready to listen what I wanted to say. And one good thing is that when allopathy doesn't find any solution, what they do? They tell you that go and meet psychiatrist. This is the final solution nowadays allopathy is having. And psychiatrist, I'm sorry to say due respect to all medical people, but psychiatrist is a bogus department. It's a bogus department. They loot you. Once again, I'll say they loot you. What they do, they drain your money in the bank. You go in a pre-mortuary condition. Mortuary, you know, where dead body are there. You go in a pre-mortuary condition. And When you go in this pre-mortuary condition, they load with drugs and all makes you sleep. Your brain, it's hamper your brain. So once your brain is hampered, your immunity goes down and you start becoming weak. And they make you believe that you are in a stress, you are depressed, and they make your whole family believe that you are stressed and depressed. But somehow I have came out of this problem because I was fortunate. Otherwise, I would have done same thing which Sushant Singh Rajput has done. And when everything is depend on machines, so one day will come, one day or 100% it is going to come as artificial intelligence is improving day by day. So what will come? There is going to be a robot. There is not, doctor is not required that time. Only for updation it will be required. So what they will do? They will tell, like nowadays you say na, Alexa, Kishore Kumar song. Same way you are going to say, Alexa, I am having headache. Alexa will say, go and take aspirin. Alexa, I am having burning sensation in my heart. Alexa will say, go and take pantoprazole or omeprazole. Alexa, I am having whole body pain. They will say, go and take Brufen. So, all machines. So, what is difference between a human doctor and machines? Because you are also dependent on machines. What machine says, you believe in that. You don't have self-knowledge. So, allopathy only believes in symptoms. And it treats only symptoms. One of the doctor who has got Nobel Prize, he told that I still don't know what is cancer cell. Because when there is a cancer, what do? You take out one cell and put on the slide. Once you remove the cell, already cell gets destroyed. And when you put some chemicals on that, when you start seeing that, it's already become poisonous. So all metastasis and all those words they use, it is already, you will see that it should look like something vague. It looks. But that Nobel scientist who got Nobel Prize, he told that cells and cancer cells works in same order. And you cannot treat or you cannot destroy cancer cell without destroying healthy cell as per allopathic medicine is concerned. So, do you think that allopathic medicine is the treatment for cancer? For onco? And one more thing, allopathy believes that your body is an open body, open structure. It's like a machine, it's like a car. You bring chassis, you bring engine, you bring other patra and all those things. Usko mila do and you make one car. If you have breast cancer, they have easy solution. Cut the breast. If you have uterus cancer, cut the uterus. If you have this cancer, cut that. Finally, what remains? Blood and skin. Finally, there will be a cancer in blood, bone and skin, and your bone and skin will be removed. You are gone. You are finished. So this is the way to treat allopathy. Through allopathy. And one more thing. I'm not saying that allopathy medicine is not important. But what allopathy medicine done, it quick fixes. It quick fixes everything. If you have fever, immediately they will give medicine, you will get okay. If you have pain, they will immediately give you medicine and you get okay. And you go feel good because we also want immediate relief. So that is the reason why we are following allopathic medicine. But only at one place allopathic is important. When suddenly you meet an accident, their Ayurvedic medicine is not going to work. Their immediate quick fix is required. You have to, stitches and all those things is required. Otherwise, blood and everything will gone. And when you get fracture, do you think that doctor does everything? No. What they will do, there is a clot between the two bones when they do that plaster. So this clots, when they nerves meet nerves, when veins meet veins, when artery meets artery, indigenous stem cell is produced and you get okay. Stem cells, nowadays lot of things are talk on stem cells. But I want to tell you that there is already indigenous stem cells in your body. But you need to understand that. Now, I'll tell you one thing, and it's a very fascinating thing. And Dr. Hegde has told, I have listened his video. I'm quoting that thing for you. He says that, who are you? You are, when you were in the mother wombs, you were just one cell, mixture of your father and mother genomes. And this one cell divides into 120 trillion cells, and this is the colony of cells which makes one body from head to toe. Head to toe, you have approximately 120 trillion cells. So, you are not I. You are not single. You are we. Because each cell is capable of working like a human body. So, you are not I, you are we. From I, illness comes. From we, wellness comes. W-E-V. So, wellness comes. And this, we all are made, we all are dependent on each other. You cannot think that alone I can rule the world. You cannot think like that, because your body says that. From your mouth to anus, do you know how many germ cells are there? 320 trillion germ cells. Once again I repeat, 320 trillion germ cells, means 3 times than your human cells. So you are human or germs? And my dear friends, germs are your friends. They are not your enemy. They are friends. So when you take, and if your mouth germs, even 10 to 20,000, this your friend mouth germs finished, your body get disbalance. Do you know, like if I cut your tongue, immediately your tongue will get okay in a day because of these friendly germ cells. But when you use Listerine mouthwash, what happens? Your friendly germ cells, Listerine or any other type of, I don't want to use that brand, but any kind of these things, when you take, your even friendly germ cells get destroyed. So it's always better that after food you go for curd, because curds have friendly germ cells, and they keep your friendly germ cells intact, and they kills the enemy germ cells in your mouth. So if you take curd after food, your teeth are always okay, your smell is always fresh. So always after food go for curd. Remember, always after food you go for curd. Now, I'm going to tell you something about now Ayurveda. I'm going to relate you with Ayurveda. What Ayurveda thinks? Ayurveda believes that Ayurveda thinks that it's beyond symptoms. Ayurveda believes that your body is not an open body, it's a closed body. Because every part is related to other. It doesn't treat only symptoms, it treats the root cause. But now you can question me that even lot of Ayurvedic doctors I have met, but I don't got relief. Because they have not studied Ayurveda. After 12th standard, they took BAMS. And what they have learned in BAMS? What they have learned in BAMS? They have learned through allopathy Ayurveda. And Ayurveda is not so small that you can read in 4 years. It takes lives to study about herbs. And Ayurvedic tablet cannot be made like an allopathic tablet. It should be in a different form. Then only you are going to get a result. And believe me, Ayurveda is not for cure. It is for stability, maintenance. So that Ayurveda believe करता है कि आप disease तक पहुँचे ही नहीं. ऐसा काम करो कि आप disease तक पहुँचे नहीं. Ayurveda says that you are made up of 5 elements, you all know. Earth, fire, water and all those things, sky. And there are 3 dosas, Kapha, Vata and Pitta. So all balance is required. I am not here to teach you about Ayurveda. And there are 3 ways you can treat your body. That is Ahar, Vihar and Manovyapar. Ahar means we have studied in our childhood. You are what you eat. That is ahar. Vihar means you have to be in a very greenery atmosphere. That is the reason every 6 months I go in some at these kind of places like Manali or any environment like Chitrakoot. I have been at Chitrakoot and you will find you can breathe, you can enjoy. That is which called Vihar. And what is Mano Vyapar? That is your, because Ayurveda believes that every disease comes from mind and every disease can be treated from mind. Right? So now I am going to tell you something more about Ahar, because you should know. Now, when I say something about Ahar, there is one slok is in science, in Sanskrit, which is called Mit Hit Ahar Sevi. Means if you want to eat anything, but in moderate. अब जब खाने की बात आती है तो आई रिमेंबर माय फूफा जी. When I have been at my village, my Fufa ji, he is still going strong at the age of 95. Why? Because when we have served him breakfast, and that day we have made some upma. So what he has done? He has given some upma to cow, then some upma to squirrels, some upma for ants. And I thought that like half of the breakfast he has already distributed. What you are going to eat? I tell फूफा जी, अगर आप ऐसे खाना खाओगे तो मर जाओगे. बोला बेटे, जो लोगों ने मुझे ऐसे कहा कि थोड़ा सा खाओगे तो मर जाओगे, सब मर गए, मैं ही जिंदा हूं. So if you eat in moderate, you are increasing your life by 10 years. Someday you can eat whatever you want. And one more thing, when it comes to eat, I remember one thing. There was one pediatrician in America. What he used to do, he used to tell that at 12 o'clock you have to eat this, at 1 o'clock you have to eat this, at 2 o'clock you have to eat this, 3 o'clock you have to eat this, 4 o'clock you have to eat this. And then lot of children have died. Pediatric children have died. So pediatrician has apologized. उसने कहा, it's my गलती, मेरी गलती हो गई. It's my fault. And then he told that Indians are very correct. You have to eat when you are hungry. Because child knows when they want food. When they cry, they want food. And who told you that morning breakfast is important, afternoon lunch is important, and dinner is important? Eat when you feel hungry. Because when you are hungry, your digestion process is strong. So remember, eat when you are hungry. And now, one more food which I wanted to quote here. Coconut. Coconut in India is equal to God. In every puja, in every rituals, coconut is always there. Why? Because they want to remind you that coconut. And I'll tell you one thing, then you will feel that why coconut is so important. In coconut, I want to see one thing. Like it is equal to the milk of mother. Because to infant only you can give milk of mother. And coconut oil, it is equal to coconut oil. Because in both these things, one chemical is present which is called monolauric acid. I repeat, it calls sodium monolauric acid. And this monolauric acid is digestible by saliva enzyme. Because for 1 year, this child doesn't produce pancreatic juice. So it is important to give the pediatric food that coconut oil should be present. And 30 years ago, America used to use coconut like anything. They have started using coconut milk along with corn flakes instead of cow milk. Because that time they were aware, because Indian have taught them that what is the importance of coconut milk. And result, what has happened? Because American farmer has started dying. Because I mean, their soybean oil was not used. They told that we are going to make only those person president who will allow us to use soybean oil and who will ban this coconut oil. So what president has done? They have called some sarkari doctors and they have started telling that ki coconut oil has a cholesterol. When other doctors told that ki only animal food has cholesterol, not plant food has cholesterol. So now they started, वो बोलते हैं ना कि caste system. They have started caste system with fats also. They have told that there are two types of fat, saturated and unsaturated fat. And they told that this coconut oil contains saturated fats. And then they have made a lot of monster advertisement. And then coconut was banned in America. And the moment it was banned in America, because we follow America, na? So India also started using another soybean oil. And coconut oil was gone out of the market. But once again, nowadays, Americans have started using coconut oil, coconut milk like anything. And I'll quote you, one Peter shop is there. If you want, you can Google it. Their coconut, one building, full building has coconut water stock in that. So nowadays in America, in fridge, there is no Coca-Cola. There is only coconut water. And India, there is Coca-Cola, no coconut water. So coconut is so important for your body that it balances sodium, potassium and all those things. And there are many things. If you talk on coconut, we can talk one day on this coconut itself. And now one more thing, diabetes. You ask everybody, I'm having diabetes. And what to eat? Chapati. Wheat chapati is important in diabetes. Now when a South Indian woman hears this, that they have to make chapati, their BP increases. Their husband tells that, no, I want chapati because I am having diabetes. But do you know that wheat contains glutathione? And if you eat this wheat chapati, you becomes diabetics for whole life because it acts on pancreatic beta cells which produces insulin. So if you want to eat chapati, go for bajra, jawari and other those things. But wheat chapati sometimes you can eat. And if you go and eat traditional wheat which was produced earlier, not by genetic engineering, that also is very effective. But yes, you can eat rice. So it is good news for rice lover that you can eat rice but only brown rice. You go for brown rice because even brown rice contains one chemical which is very digestible and it decreases your diabetic level because it contains lot of fibers. And believe me, you can eat, now it is the mango season, if you eat mango also, your glucose level get reduced. But not full mango, only 3 or 4 pieces of mango. You eat that and then you go and check your diabetic level, you will find that it has gone down. So Ayurveda believes that you have to eat fresh fruit. Only one thing which you can eat, basi thing, that is called basi chapati. That is good. But otherwise you go for fresh fruit, fresh grains, fresh vegetables. And if you are living in Mumbai, apple is not good for you. It is good for Mediterranean area, for Kashmir area. Because science has proved that if that food travels for 24 hours, 25% of nutrition has gone. So the moment apple comes to Mumbai, already 50% of nutrition are gone. So what you are eating? You are eating just flesh, not nutrition. So eat seasonal fruit. And it is my request to all Kisan of India that salute to you, but don't use genetic engineering seeds. Don't use mutation seeds because this is the reason for cancer. Because betel brinjal has destroyed Bangladesh. That is made by genetic engineering. Bangladesh has abhi gajar hai. Bangladesh mar raha hai. And India maybe even Kerala and Punjab, they are the capital of cancer because they were using lot of genetic engineering seed to produce more and more of crops. Go and use your traditional this thing. Nowadays, that is the reason why organic food is famous. So this thing which I have spoke about coconut. Now, if I am forgetting anything, I have told about coconuts, I have told about these foods which you need to eat. And now I am going to tell you one more thing about sugarcane. These British has brought sugarcane in India, which is responsible for diabetes. But nowadays, even British people have stopped using this white sugarcane. And in America, kitchen garden is not allowed. They are punished because if they start using fresh food, what will happen to their industry? So these businessmen, they are not allowing you to live life. So Ayurveda believes in yoga, yog. When you do yog, Brahmari, Alom, Vilom, and all those things, when you breathe, your lungs gets full of oxygen, full capacity of oxygen, your blood gets oxygen, and your red and white blood cells gets good, and your immunity levels gets high. And then the type of food which you eat, that matters a lot. And there are 5 types of snanas you should do, 5 types of shower you should take. You should go for fire shower. That is called Kleshasan. You have to use all those maybe mango sticks or mango tree sticks, and all those things are there. If you want, you can separately contact me. I'll let you know what to use in that Kleshasan. You have to use that Kleshasan aarti ki tarah. So because your body is not just here, your body is 1, 2, 3 centimeters. This is your aura of the body. So to make a positive, you have to do Kleshasan. Because you are made of fire, so you should take fire bath. Then you are made up of water, so you should take water bath. You are made up of earth, so you should take mud bath. Nowadays in Western science also, Western people have also started taking mud bath. So we used to play in nowadays, so you will not get that kind of mitti, right? My dad used to say that there are 5 types of soil, one type of soil was used for bathing. Then you have to take air shower, go in free atmosphere. And we are lucky, some places are lucky that they have fresh atmosphere. Take a fresh shower, air shower. And one shower which is required, that is sky, that is meditation. Meditate for some time. Be alone, be calm. And it's not necessary. If you are Muslims, if you don't want to say Om, don't say Om. If you are Christian, don't want to say Om, instead of that you say Bhom, Dom, Kom, Nom. Whatever you want, you say. But yeah, if you say Om, because Om is the voice of universe, Om, then it will help you to meditate. So these type of 5 snanas we should take every day. So Ayurvedic believes in life healthy style. Now finally, if I cannot connect with coronavirus, my job is not done, because I sell products, but I don't want to sell my country. But here I want to quote. Yeah, but before quoting that, I want to say that I was lucky that I have worked with a organization like few organizations like Cipla, where we used to believe that life-saving medicine should be available at economical price. Otherwise, I'll say that it's a pharma mafia. Once again, I'll repeat, it's a pharma mafia. That is COVID-related business is done. 3M masks, nitrile gloves, all those things. And I'm against DCGI approval for one tablet that is called Favipiravir. I've already sent one request in RTI against DCGI, and I want to put stay on Glenmark. I'm going to do that. Maybe within 2 days I'll be doing that. Why? Because you listen, what is the quality of Favipiravir? This Favipiravir tablet will treat coronavirus. They will reduce the virus load from your body. But when? In mild condition. In India, in mild condition, who requires tablet? Just crocin, immunity and some multivitamin is enough. And mortality rate and the death rate of India is so much less that in mild condition it is not required. But do you know how much tablet you need to take? You will be surprised. You need to take 18 tablets per day, first day. Means 3600 mg. So what will be the halat of your kidney? Kidney ki to what lag jayegi. And it doesn't stop here. After that, you have to take 8 tablets every day for 14 days. So Mota moti, you have to take 130 tablets and per tablet costs 100 rupees. Total 13,000 into 40 lakhs. उनका तो एक प्रोडक्ट बन गया 100 करोड़ के ऊपर. So when a company has planned for more than 100 crores, if some Baba comes in between, so क्या वो लोग छोड़ेंगे उसको? I have seen many Facebook posts that this is Dhongi Baba, cheater Baba, Anpad Baba. Because they have not seen their press conference. They call Anpad Baba. Because this Baba doesn't know anything. He has explained everything about double blind trial. How many of you know what is double blind trial? What is placebo? What is a random trial? How many of you know? And I challenge 98% of India, and I challenge medical students also. There are 70% of medical students might not be knowing what is cytokine storm, and he has explained that. फिर आपको राइट नहीं बनता उसको अनपढ़ बाबा बोलने का. And remember, go and once see in Haridwar how much big plant he is having, how many doctors are working for him. They all doctors have made this medicine called Coronil, and 250 patients got well okay by using this Coronil kit. So it's on you whether you want to load your kidney with Favipiravir tablet or you want to go with the Coronil tablet, where side effect is not there, only there is right effect. And if you go with Favipiravir, you will go after 5 years on kidney dialysis. I ensure you, you will be on kidney dialysis. Thank you so much for listening me. Have a good day. Enjoy.